My brother, politics is about interest. Inchino muntu mbwato musimamo. Omutindi sana. Because the only party I've been a member to is Wiper na bono iga UDA. Wiper nero ya ngigiriti, nero nona chakiriti siasa yane. Ndiwana in. Ekero na ikaranze te no muziko korukunga Steven Kalonzo Musyoka. Ngamubori ngabono ngakiuba angete moving forward. Ense ya achire, you should be either in Azimio or in UDA. Ndiwana in. Igari se itekero tokuri yuburai igogo tebya abantu UDA uri usazimio wasinyiruko mekyo musimamo. Wana onye tata kito komekyo musimamo umwana ominto nkurigere ligari onte binge ngoro yego chiga ingeze ngenjongo wanchi to so na yuchi. You don't do that. I'm a young man who needs to grow. So the moment I realized a key ni umugako yo usinyiruko make a decision inga yago so waguchi. I had to make a decision. A decision because there are very many people who question me. Now, the thing is, UDA. I know that UDA. Who along the way, UDA, to the other political parties. I never changed. I never moved from UDA, no matter how difficult it was. Because in life, you should never confuse your followers. Na ando musacho muremno musacho ko make a decision once and for all. I was the most trolled person in one minduna arekora nguchi go so mutandao ngora from morning to evening because of UDA. But I stood. There is a time when abantu ba getting a UDA te ko people imagine that inga Azimio with the system and the rest. But inje ngaeteri whether win or lose, I've made a decision. That is where I will be, and that is where I will stay, and that is where I am today, and that is where I will be. I don't regret a thing, bro. I don't regret a thing. Because I made a decision here, bro, I listen to my instincts. Sometimes in the monto kubati multitude. Ngamone multitude ya tebirenga togenda kuchia. Nga no korete kwenda. Many times umwana uminta abantu bakubati erende. Abantu bakubati ngabono togenda ne multitude. They end up in troubles and problems. In your own instinct, at heart, where am I comfortable? Where am I comfortable? Siasa is about interest. Politics is politics is about interest. A true definition of politics is about who gets what, when, and how. This life is very short. You'll be running up and down utarirete gaiga utarirete eri okwe utarakonya bantu bamino utarekonya bwikomonyene communities tirichi agendere irime ya Kenya yaitu majority of those communities they know how to play politics and they know nanga politics tarimanga na enmity tarimanga na yubo bisa siasa nga chiese kadi yagoga osonyore gentoretera abantu bintu bali. So the decision I made you go join UDA to me was one of the best decisions I've ever made because it was very unpopular to some people. Lakini asenje. No ena asende bono iga. I'm there because of loyalty. Because my loyalty I've been tested. My loyalty has been tested. So nje mwano mindotali monto ucharuka kuchia. No. That is not my type. So I want to thank His Excellency Muzike Steven Kalonzo Musyoka because kerumuntu keruko chaka siasa otara manye bearing yage sereguchi sometimes kerumuntu akubwatiro koboko it's good because I joined keronaso siasa nche wei panacha krete because I didn't have resources egora yaro te bakaranga ODM so ODM you must have these resources kokoso amangana Jubilee and the other parties but I started from a small party which built me. I worked very, very hard and made Kalonzo very viable in Kisii. So that was my stepping stone. Bono iga asende bro, ezi elevo na ikeire, tindi levo bono yogo tapa. Ya kuruka hapa na pale. Hapana, asa mimi bro, no inche na akini. Bono na inche nature te bro, I'm not an institution. I'm a brand. I have very many people who look up to me. Young people, old people, mothers, fathers and the rest. I can't mislead them.
Nimetaka nitekwera una ukunganya kwa yekorwa semo ya Wiper kusona semo ya UDA ne sababu ya kisiasa agete.
Yes.